This Shopify store generates no less than $243,367 per month in revenue with Google Ads alone. And in this video, I want to break down this Shopify store to show you the strategy behind it and how you can use it to make your own landing pages and product pages better for Google. Now, before we get into any of that, let's first understand the foundations of how Google works and what Google even wants to see with a specific product page or with a specific landing page. And the brand, by the way, is right here. This is called AOKLock.com. It's a fashion brand and it sells a lot of street fashion related products. I know this because we have worked with this brand previously, and this is kind of the overall layout that they have for their products in general. But what you want to understand and keep in mind is that Google Ads judges where your products and where your ads in general rank based on something called the quality score. And the way that this quality score is actually determined is that the equation for it is fairly simple. Quality score equals bits plus expected CTR plus the landing page experience. Now, most e-commerce brands, they perfect their bids. They try to be as competitive as possible with their bids. Maybe they're doing smart bidding. They also try to improve their expected CTRs by improving their product images when it comes to Google Shopping. These things are all good for a part of the equation, but where majority of the e-commerce brands fail is the last portion, the landing page experience. And they fail simply because they go after a one-size-fits-all strategy. What I mean by this is most e-commerce brands, they're not just using Google Ads. They're probably on Facebook ads. They're also on TikTok. They're trying to do SEO organic. They're trying to do Pinterest and so on and so forth. And what they have done is they have created one specific landing page which caters to all of these different advertising platforms. As a result, Google never really gets the attention that it deserves to truly scale and to truly have a higher conversion rate. And just in general, this is a very bad and losing strategy. This is because Google Ads is a search-based platform. It's not like Facebook, it's not like TikTok or even Pinterest, where you essentially force your ads in front of people. This is the biggest difference. With Google, people come to your website. They come to you by searching up specific keywords related to your products. And as a result, their buying intent is completely different than somebody who just accidentally happens to land upon your ad on Facebook or TikTok. So with that in mind, the three major things which this brand did right, which is why they were able to scale up to $250,000 on the lower months every single month, is because number one, they focused on speed. Number two, they focused on relevancy for their product pages, other landing pages, etc. And number three, they had a clear CTA on every single one of their pages. Let's go over this website now in detail. So first things first, on the homepage, if we land right on the homepage, we don't have to guess what this brand is about. It's about street style. It's just about being unique. It's about being different. And right off the bat, from the landing page itself on the homepage, and they actually have this unique kind of layout in general, where if you click on this button right here to play a video, it actually takes you to their actual street style products. But if we scroll down now right over here, we can see that along with the street style kind of approach, they've also laid out a very custom approach, a very custom strategy, where they have certain things like holiday exclusive boxes they're selling, or certain blind box bundles, which again adds a little bit of mystery to their overall website, and it also gives them more of an authoritative feel to it, because not many brands do something like this. But everything here is not just about the products, it's about the style as a whole. It's about colors, it's about imagery. This is super important in keeping things relevant, which is one of the three major things I talked about, because again, it needs to be relevant to your ideal audience and to your ideal customer. But now if we go into one of the specific product pages, what we see is that this kind of approach continues with their landing page as a whole. Right here, we see that they have certain kind of emblems at the top. It says affordable, fast, and various styles, basic, factory direct. So they're talking about specific things, which again help add authority, helps kind of add more trust to the brand as a whole. If we scroll just a little bit down now, we can see that their product images are still very high quality. They're very direct, straightforward. There is nothing that's low quality with the product images as a whole. Then on the right hand side, they have a festive sale, which again, this banner itself is very captivating. If we click on it, it actually takes us here where they talk about the different types of sales they have going on for the New Year's. They have different kind of attires here, more specific collections on these products, etc. If we scroll down now, there's only two major things that they have here. First section is the information section. Second section is the free gift section. So they're literally trying to incentivize more and more customers to buy from them just because of everything that they offer here, like certain gifts that they offer with every order, which again is all about your audience, what they want to see, if they want to receive a gift, or if it's more of a professional and higher class audience where they don't necessarily need a gift to buy something from you. But if we scroll down now, we can see their overall landing page layout. It's very unique, but it's at the same time very compact. They want to save space, so they didn't add this frequently bought together at the top, then they didn't add the details below that because that takes up too much space. And it's all about speed, first of all, but it's also about the CTA, making the CTA very easy, because right here we can see that there's another CTA here. If we scroll all the way down, there's just basic things here, not even reviews for this specific product itself. But again, the main goal here for this brand has been to make it easy to go to the CTA, which is the add to bag CTA, and that's literally it. There's nothing else which can kind of confuse you or make you want to go another way. It's a very simple approach, it's a very straightforward approach, but it just ends up working. Now, what you want to take from this kind of overall landing page layout, however, is that you need to make it so that it's appropriate for your audience, for your customers, because more younger individuals purchase from this brand, they're fine completely making it have a bunch of colors in there, making it add certain types of imagery in here. But if your audience is more older women, well, you need to make sure that everything is based around that, because that's the way Google really judges your landing page experience. The way that Google knows if your landing page experience is good or not is by how much time a potential user is on your website. This is the crucial part of improving your landing page experience, and as a result, improving the overall quality score of your brand. But a lot of the other brands we work with under my Google Ads agency follow similar layouts like this, where it's very simple, it's fast, and the CTA is clear, and they're literally doing multi-6 and even multi-7 figures per month in revenue, which, by the way, if you do $1 million a year or more and you want to scale to multi-7 figures with Google Ads, go onto my website at yourmarketing.com and schedule a free call with me to see how we can essentially work together and make that happen. But check out this video right here on our top 5 performance max strategies we're using in 2024 to help brands get results like these.